What if I told you that some of the most important technologies we use every day were never planned? Wi-Fi, microwaves, Bluetooth, even sticky notes, all exist because of accidents, mistakes, or unexpected discoveries. Today, let's explore how accidental inventions changed modern technology. Let's start with Wi-Fi. Believe it or not, Wi-Fi was not invented for the internet. Scientists were studying radio signals from space, trying to understand how stars send energy across the universe. But they kept detecting strange interference, signals that didn't make sense. That noise turned out to be radio waves bouncing off objects. Instead of ignoring the problem, scientists studied it. And those same reflected radio waves became the foundation of wireless communication. Today, Wi-Fi connects billions of devices, all because scientists were listening to space. The microwave oven is another life-changing accident. In the 1940s, an engineer working on radar technology noticed something strange. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Radar waves were heating food. Instead of ignoring it, he experimented and created the first microwave oven. The earliest microwaves were huge and expensive, but today they sit in almost every kitchen. A simple melted chocolate changed how the world cooks. Now let's talk about Bluetooth. And yes, it's really named after a Viking king. The name comes from a ruler who united different regions of Scandinavia. Engineers liked that idea, so they used his name for a technology that connects devices together. Even the Bluetooth logo comes from ancient Viking symbols. So every time your phone connects to your earbuds, you're using a piece of Viking history. Post-it notes exist because of a failure. A scientist was trying to create a super strong glue. Instead, he created one that was weak and reusable. At first, it seemed useless. But later, someone realized it was perfect for temporary notes. Today, Post-it notes are used in offices, schools, and homes around the world. A failed experiment became a billion-dollar idea. These inventions teach us something important. Innovation doesn't always come from perfect plans. Sometimes it comes from mistakes, curiosity, and the courage to ask, why did that happen? The next world-changing idea might already exist, hidden inside a mistake.